Ah, fish on. Look at that. Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today I want to show you my personal ultralight fishing kit. So stick around. Over the past year, we talked quite a bit about fishing on my channel. We started off with a do-it-yourself survival fishing rod. Talked about pocket fishing kits. Carved out a hobo reel. And even briefly touched on active and passive fishing with an automatic fishing pole. Now, if I'm ever asked, which do I prefer, fishing or trapping, I'm going to say fishing first time every time. And here's why. One, it's more fun. And two, I have more control. I can scan that body of water and actively look for fish. Are they jumping out? Are they surface feeding? I can go ahead and make adjustments on the fly to accommodate that. Whereas trapping, I'm looking for game trails. I'm seeing what they're feeding on. I'm carving out a trap, carving out a snare. Now I'm baiting that trap, baiting that snare. I'm coming back several hours to check that trap or that snare, or even the next day. For me, that's time consuming. Being that we talked about all these different methods, the one thing I haven't shown you yet is my personal ultralight fishing kit, where you actually construct a pole with a reel that works. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're working with a Mr. Crappie jigging reel, a 1-inch roll of Gorilla Brand duct tape, 4-inch zip ties, 3 to 4 large safety pins, and number 36 bank line. Alright, so first things first, the pole. Grab a branch anywhere from 6 to 8 feet in length and roughly the diameter of your thumb at the base. The important thing about the pole, it could be green wood or dead wood, just make sure it's flexible. Then get your number 36 bank line and we're going to wrap a handle. To do that, think of a whipping on a rope. Do it the exact same way. Now I've shown this several times. So here's a quick refresher. We're going to measure about 6 to 8 inches. Take our number 36 bank line and make a bite. We're going to lay it on there. Now what we're going to do, it's our longer end, we're going to wrap it towards that loop. Once we get to the end, take my excess and pass it through that loop. I'll grab my Leatherman multi-tool. I'll pull this tail. Doing that will cause that loop to be pulled into that wrap, bunching everything up. Alright, so far so good. The next step, I want to go ahead and attach my reel. Make sure you attach it along the handle facing the proper direction, whether that be you're right-handed or left-handed. I'm right-handed, so I want to face on the outboard side. I can attach it anywhere I want using my zip ties or duct tape. Nice. The final step is I want to go ahead and grab some safety pins and my multi-tool and then carefully bend those safety pins to resemble guides. Then I want to go ahead and duct tape those guides evenly along my pole. So taking my large safety pin, my multi-tool, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get that multi-tool up against that circle. I want to go ahead and bend that close as I can to a 90-degree angle. And then cut it off right there. I want to get approximately 3 of these. Once you have 3 safety pins bent, go ahead and grab one more. And instead of bending it at a 90-degree angle, we're going to bend it at about a 45. Okay, so you've created 4 guides for your fishing line. 3 at 90 and 1 at 45. Take one of them at 90 degrees, place it in line with your reel, go up about a foot and tape it on there. Move another 2 feet, place another one bent at 90, 2 more feet at 90. Save the one that's bent at 45 degrees for your rod tip. Perfection. Now I'm going to want to test this bad boy out, and I think I know a place. I think I'll go with the old paracord bait. Ah, fish on. Look at that. Got a bite? And fish on. Look at that. He's just a little guy. Got a bite. And fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Small one, but I can do this all day. Look at that little guy. Welcome back. My personal fishing kit is outstanding. Just my humble opinion. Let's talk about a couple of things. First off, the weight. It's going to weigh as much as you can fit in that container or that tin. Second, and most important, my advice is to buy the reel first and then match it to a tin. This tin happens to be 4x3 by 1.75 inches and it fits perfectly. Now, as usual, all the gear in this video can be found on my Amazon influencer page. I'll toss a link inside the description box. Now please do me that favor, hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.